Hey, it's RC Thornton here, tax professional, and I wanted to answer one of the most common questions that I get from people and business owners and businesses that have back tax issues. And that question is, what really does the IRS have the ability to take from me, and what do they have the ability to do to enforce on me if I have back taxes? A lot of people when they call me up, they're pretty scared because they've heard the IRS can seize, they've heard things like the IRS can padlock your business, take your home, and drain you basically. And they want to know, like, what is the actual truth behind what the IRS can take? So here's the truth about how all of that works. The IRS really has almost unlimited power to take your assets when you owe back taxes. There's a bunch of procedures and due process they have to go through, but there's, under law, very few things that are accepted from them taking. And in fact, a lot of times people's homes can be seized too. It's uncommon, but the IRS does have the ability to do that. And I've worked on client cases where they've threatened to do that simply because of a variety of reasons and they had equity in the home. But what's going to happen for most people that are business owners that owe back taxes is they don't really go for like a direct seizure. Like, they're not like, okay, dude, we're padlocking your business. What usually happens is they come up with indirect ways to take your stuff to basically pressure you to get the problem resolved in full. So for example, I had a client once in the Midwest where they owed a bunch of money to the IRS. The IRS was garnishing their bank account like once, I think it was like once a month or so. And basically the impact of that was, the IRS is just like, listen, if you don't want to resolve this, we're just going to go in there once a month and drain your account. Eventually the guy got the message. He's like, okay, I'm obviously not going to be able to tend to my business and take care of things if I'm getting my money taken every month. So I better go and I better take care of this. So usually what they do is kind of like this indirect stuff to pressure you to want to resolve the situation. I don't really see them padlock businesses too much, although variations of that are possible, particularly if you have payroll tax issues. But the bottom line is they do have a lot of power to take property, and they threaten to do that all the time, especially for business owners that usually owe multi 5 figures, if not 6 figures, or multi 6 figures in back taxes. So anyway, if you're starting 2022 and you're thinking like, I got to get this problem out of my life, I need my business to grow, I need my happiness to grow, I need to crush it and kick ass in 2022. What do I need to do? Well, I wanted to invite you for an opportunity to apply for a tax strategy session with me personally. That's where you'd sit down with me over the phone for 15 or so minutes. We'd kind of go over everything, get a sense of where you are, and see what I might be able to do to help you out and what your options are. It's not a sales pitch. I just want to, speak with you and see how I may be able to be of service to you and helping you get ready to absolutely crush it in 2022. Anyway, I hope you're having a great one. I'll talk to you soon.